Hey, dude. It's pronounced Skittles.
No. Okay. It's pronounced skit tails. Okay? Because there's a skit and then it's a tail. Like
Okay.
it's sort of it's weird, but it's two words. It's not Skittles, it's skit tails, okay?
Oh,
You get it?
yeah. Uh, let's try some of these shirts. How about this one? Don't you think this shirt makes me look fat?
I have to take a shower. Oh, me too. Let's just take a shower. We're just girls.
Yeah.
Yay! Oh my God, you got such big boobs.
You too. Oh, girl.
Man, you're the way.
Bye. Oh my God, that was so fun all the afternoon with my boyfriend, but oh holy crap, I need to use the washroom. Oh. Ladies are ladies.